How to create a spike text effect in After Effects. In today's tutorial we will be showing you how to create a trendy and eye-catching spike text effect in After Effects. This technique is perfect for adding a unique touch to your videos. So let's dive right in. First, create a text layer by typing in the desired text. Next, go to the effects and presets and search for the drop shadow plugin. Apply the drop shadow effect to your text layer and set the value for distance to 10. Now search for spike in the effects and presets panel and add a 3D random spike tumble effect to your text layer. Adjust now the keyframes to achieve the desired outcome. Please ensure the motion blur is enabled for a smoother visual effect. There we go, now you've created a very nice spike text effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.